In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Asana. Subtasks are perfect for breaking a larger task into smaller, actionable pieces, keeping responsibilities clear and timelines realistic. I'll walk you through the process from signing in to configuring your subtask so it's ready for work. Start by heading to the Asana login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This is a quick and secure way to access your workspace without typing a password each time. When the Google prompt appears, select the account you use for Asana. After a moment, you'll be signed in and taken to your Asana home. From here, open the project where you want to add your subtask. You can find it in the sidebar or in your recent projects. Once the project loads, locate the task you want to break down. Click that task to open its detail pane on the right side of the screen. This pane is your control center for everything related to the task. Inside the task details, look for the subtask section and click the Add Subtask button. A new subtask line will appear. Type a clear, specific name that communicates the action and outcome, like draft outline, collect assets, or review with stakeholder. A good name makes it easy for teammates to understand what needs to be done at a glance. After naming it, click on the subtask itself to open its own detail view. This is where you configure the subtask so it moves forward smoothly. Assign it to the right person so ownership is clear, then set a due date that aligns with the parent task's timeline. If timing is tight, consider adding a due time to keep the schedule on track. You can also add a brief description with any context, links, or acceptance criteria the assignee needs to complete the work without back and forth. If the subtask involves files, attach them here so everything stays in one place. Finally, double-check that the subtask sits under the correct parent task in the details, ensuring it's organized exactly where you expect. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open your project, pick the task, add a subtask, name it clearly, and configure the assignee and deadline. Subtasks help you turn big goals into manageable steps, improve accountability, and keep progress visible. If you consistently use concise names, realistic due dates, and thorough descriptions, your team will always know what's next and how to get it done.